Have you ever wondered why we fall in love? What makes our hearts race, our palms sweat, and our minds obsess over someone? Is love just an emotion, or is there something deeper, something scientific, psychological, even philosophical at play? Love has been the subject of poetry, music, and art for centuries, but beneath the romance and passion lies a fascinating web of biological, psychological, and philosophical explanations. Whether you're curious about why we love, how it affects our brain, or what different theories of love say about human connection, today we're diving deep into the ultimate mystery, love itself. Stick around because you may discover something surprising about your own heart and mind. What is love? The word love is used in many ways. We love our family, our friends, our pets, and even our favorite food. But when we talk about romantic love, we refer to something deeper, more complex. Scientists, psychologists, and philosophers have all attempted to define love, and their theories give us incredible insights into how and why we experience it. The science of love. Let's start with the biological aspect. Love is not just a feeling, it's a chemical reaction. When we fall in love, our brains release a cocktail of neurotransmitters, including dopamine, oxytocin, and serotonin. Dopamine is responsible for that euphoric feeling, making us crave more time with the person we love. Oxytocin, also known as the bonding hormone, strengthens connections and deepens emotional intimacy. Meanwhile, serotonin levels drop, which may explain why people in love often become obsessed with their partners. It's almost like being addicted to a drug. Psychological theories of love. One of the most famous theories of love is Sternberg's triangular theory. According to psychologist Robert Sternberg, love consists of three components: intimacy, emotional closeness, and connection. Passion, physical attraction, and romantic desire. Commitment, the decision to stay with someone. Long-term or different types of love emerge based on the balance of these three factors. For example, a relationship with passion and intimacy but no commitment is often labeled romantic love, while a relationship with commitment and intimacy but no passion is companionate love. Another theory, attachment theory, explains love. Based on how we bonded with our caregivers as children, psychologists suggest that people develop attachment styles, secure, anxious, or avoidant, that influence their romantic relationships in adulthood. Understanding your attachment style can help improve your relationships and emotional well-being. Philosophical perspectives on love. Throughout history, philosophers have debated the meaning of love. Plato described love as a pursuit of beauty and truth, leading us toward higher wisdom. Aristotle believed in philia, a deep friendship-based love that fosters virtue. Meanwhile, existentialists like Sartre viewed love as both liberating and imprisoning, an intense emotion that gives meaning to our lives but also makes us vulnerable to suffering. Can love be measured? Some researchers believe love can be scientifically measured. Psychologists have developed love scales, brain imaging studies, and even physiological tests to analyze how love affects us. While love is deeply personal and subjective, science continues to reveal patterns that help us understand its nature. Love and the modern world. In today's fast-paced digital age, love is evolving. Online dating, long-distance relationships, and changing societal norms all play a role in how we experience love. Some studies suggest that while technology makes it easier to meet new people, it can also make it harder to maintain deep, meaningful connections. How do we navigate love in the modern world while staying true to our emotions? So, is love just a chemical reaction, a psychological attachment, a philosophical ideal? Or is it something more, a force beyond explanation? While science and philosophy give us insights, love remains one of the most profound and mysterious aspects of the human experience. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think love really is? Do you believe in soulmates? Or is love simply a biological necessity? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more deep dives into the fascinating world of human emotions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.